welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment and like this video. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and checking this video out. I upload DIY and sewing tutorials every single week with my dog Jack, and he is the biggest helper ever. He loves to make videos with me, so he will be in all my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these pink fuzzy monster slides. They were so much fun to make, and they only take about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. It's a really easy project, and we're starting right now. For these slippers, you will need to get some fur, and I actually got this fur from a pillow from Five Below, so it was super cheap. We'll also need some googly eyes, and I got these from Dollar Tree. And then I also got some Fabrifix glue, which is from Joann, so you'll just need some kind of craft glue. And then you'll need slides, and I got these from Five Below. And then you'll need a pair of fabric scissors. Now what I'm going to do is just measure on the shoe how wide and how long I need my fur to be, and then I will just measure it on the fur and cut it out. And these are what my pieces look like, so now it's time to glue them on. Now place the fur on your slides. Now it's time to place your googly eyes on. So go ahead and put the glue on the back of the eyes and then place them on the fur. Your slides are all done and ready to wear. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please let me know if you decide to make these. I would love to see how yours turned out. Just drop a comment below and let me know.